As content creators of one kind or another, musicians, podcasters, voiceover artists, or video creators, you may have considered starting an online course. You may already have an online course. Well, as content creators, you are already 2 steps ahead of most people for creating a profitable online course. That's because 1, you're excited and knowledgeable about a topic, the theme of your podcast or videos, etc. And 2, you know how to create great sounding audio, probably why you watch my videos, which will be a huge advantage over other online courses. A lot sound pretty bad, but how do you get started creating a course and then teaching it? Or if you have a course, how do you get more students? Well, here's one great way to start. There's a new free report out as of May 4th that can help you create profitable online courses with the help of an AI chatbot like ChatGPT, but using it correctly, unlike most people. I know, it seems like everyone is talking about how to use AI to do just about anything, including create whole courses. But that isn't what I'm here to tell you. Yes, ChatGPT can do amazing things to help you create your own course and save you a ton of time and effort. However, there are a lot of downsides to using AI to create courses, and relying on it too much will only create courses that probably no one will sign up for. Using AI the wrong way, the way a lot of people are doing it right now, will always be missing 2 things, which you will learn about in this free report. This guide was written by Danny Iny, the founder and CEO of Mirasee. He's one of my favorite experts in the online education industry and has created several popular courses to help others create their own successful courses, including me. He's also spent the last 5 months exploring and experimenting with ChatGPT and other AI chatbots. So he has a pretty good idea of how profitable courses are made, the mistakes many course creators make with the new AI tech, and how to avoid those mistakes and have courses that are better than all those make-a-quick-buck courses being churned out lately. So if you've ever thought about creating an online course, or you already have, you really should grab this short report and read it ASAP. It answers all the key questions about how to be successful in the age of AI. And if you already have an online course and are wondering why it isn't doing as well as it used to, Danny answers that question for you too. Just click on the link in the description to get the free report.